Aviators and aviation fans, this is Mike, the Chili Dog pilot. Just wanted to send out a special video out to all of you and thank you for your time watching me. And more importantly, I want to wish all of you and your families a very Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and Happy Holidays for those who do not observe Christmas. But I want to thank you for your time in watching my videos and supporting this channel over the last 6 months. Looking forward to putting out a lot more videos for the 2026 year. But what I wanted to close with tonight was just some Christmas lights that I took while flying around both Peddler's Village and Shady Brook Farms in Pennsylvania. And then I'm also going to just include some of the night landings I did to keep my currency. But more than anything, I wish all of you a very happy holiday season and look forward to seeing you more in 2026. So until then, please take care.
And Trenton Tower, Tomahawk 96 X-ray, we're going to depart to the west towards northeast Philly.
66 X-ray, roger, frequency change approved.
Okay, frequency change approved, thanks for help, 96 X-ray. And northeast tower, Tomahawk 1996 X-ray, 8 miles northeast with information X-ray, would like to request the option.
Tomahawk 1996 X-ray, northeast tower, make straight in runway 24.
Okay, straight in for runway 24, 96 X-ray.
Northeast Tower, November 497 Lima Alpha, about 10 miles to the northeast over the Turnpike Bridge, inbound for full stop at Legacy with X-ray.
497 Lima Alpha, northeast tower, make straight in runway 24.
Straight in, runway 24, 497 Lima Alpha.
Number 6 Foxtrot Golf, extend upwind for spacing.
We'll extend upwind for spacing, November 786 Fox Golf.
Roger, 7 Lima Alpha, runway 24, clear to land number 2, traffic short final.
Clear to land number 2, runway 24, we'll be looking for that traffic, 497 Lima Alpha.
Number 6 Foxtrot Golf, make left traffic and extend down.
Make left traffic and extend our downwind, November 786 Fox Golf.
Jack 6 Foxtrot Golf, make left close traffic until advised.
Left close to advise, 786 Fox Golf.